Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'm super excited because today we're opening up brown paper packages. This is the second one I've ever received and I really loved my first one so much, so I can't wait to see what is in the October box. So this is like a lifestyle subscription and it is so cute and it is bi-monthly. I absolutely love that. I'm really getting into like bi-monthly subscriptions because when you get a bunch of monthly ones, things just pile up, and I feel like with bi-monthly, you get some time to like really enjoy your products before getting some new items. So on here it says a few of our favorite things. So every time I get this box, I sing, the song from Sound of Music, Brown Paper Packages, like some of my favorite things, that song. I really want to burst out in song now, but I won't, mostly because I have a bad voice, but also for copyright reasons. But yeah, this is a few of their favorite things that the curators put together. I'm going to link them down below, and I will also link the pricing. So this is from Canada, but ships to US and Canada. It's about $45 US dollars, and in Canada it's about $59.99. So again, all of that will be down below, along with any giveaways I currently have going on. So if you have not yet entered those, check them out. They're always in the description box. But anyways, let's get started. Oh, how cute. When I open it up, this is what I see. Look, there's pretty leaves, and it's wrapped up, brown string. Oh my god, these leaves are so cute. Oh, and they're attached, so you can actually reuse these. I think they talked about that last time. You can like reuse a lot of this like packaging type stuff. So here are the leaves, so you can add this to your fall decor in your home. So cute. And then on top there is this little card here. It says Brown Paper Packages, October 2019. And the theme this month is Back to the Routine. And inside here there's a note, and then it talks about all of the items inside. So for the note it says, welcome to fall 2019. Time to get back to the routine. This brown paper package includes items that the Hutch sisters have sourced to help welcome fall into your everyday schedule. Get ready to bling in the holidays with December subscription box. Ships December 1st. Oh, okay, so the next box, the theme is bling in the holidays. Cool. So yeah, I like how this is like a little pamphlet. Oh, and I love that it gives descriptions of all the items along with pricing. And then on the back it says, who we are, about us. The Hutch Sisters staff works diligently to try to include the most unique, locally made, locally owned, fair trade, and ethically responsible products that we can find. We strive to make the packaging of our boxes not only safe for transportation, but to also try and limit our carbon footprint. We attempt to use as many recyclable items as possible and believe in the quality content of our items as opposed to flashy packaging. Please reuse or recycle as much as you can. We hope you enjoy your unboxing as much as we have enjoyed sourcing them for you. Please help support small businesses by asking your friends and family to visit our website. And again, the website will be linked down below. Awesome! I love that. Ooh, I see it. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like inside. A bunch of good stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, awesome. We've got something from this brand last time. So it looks like we got by Stray Cat Cosmetics a holiday gift box. Or they have a holiday gift box. It looks like they have one because they're taking pre-orders and it ships in November. But we also got some Stray Cat Cosmetics stuff. But I guess this company is doing a gift box and you get a bunch of stuff. So if you're interested, you can pause it and look at that. And then here is the picture. That looks pretty awesome. But let's start with the products that we got from them. We got a lip gloss last one. I was actually thinking about right before I started filming, I was just sort of reflecting on the items we got last time, and I wanted to put on the lip gloss, but I couldn't find it. Like, I'm sure I could if I looked like longer, but I wanted to start filming, but I couldn't find it readily. But okay, so we got Stray Cat's blush, and this is in the shade Autumn, which is very fitting. Let's get this open. Ooh, this looks pretty. So here's the outer package. You can see through it. I like when you can see through and see the shade, so when you're like going through your drawers and selecting your makeup for the day. And that is what it looks like. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, this feels really nice. That looks like it's gonna be super pretty. I can't wait to try that. It felt so nice and buttery. Love it. I love getting makeup in my lifestyle boxes. It's like a nice touch because I'm addicted to makeup. And then the next item, I was about to open it before showing you, is a liquefied lipstick in the shade Snob. It says this is a high coverage lip stain that provides beautiful long-lasting color. The creamy texture becomes a silky, lightweight stain after wearing. Its lightweight liquid texture increases the intensity of your makeup for matte, long-lasting finish. Paraben-free, vitamin E infused, creates lips feel soft, moisturized, and comfortable. Okay, not tested on animals, by the way. So here it is. Let's open it up. The first thing I always want to do with makeup is smell it, and it smells so good. That's a pretty fall shade. I love that you can like wear a darker color. Well, you can wear whatever color you want anytime of year, but I love like in fall that I gravitate more towards darker lip shades like that. Let's see what they said in here about these products. So the Stray Cat Liquid Lip and Blush, the perfect colors to add to your fall makeup collection. Cruelty-free and Canadian made. Long-wearing liquid lip and snob looks great on all skin tones and is $19. The powder blush in autumn, it says apply lightly to fairer skin tones or add a little bit more for deeper skin tones, and that is $12. Awesome. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, a candle it looks like. This is by Baked Candle Co. These are bakery inspired candles, and they are based out of, Canada. I guess there's a London, Canada at first. I was confused. And this is what it looks like. It looks like it's like a treat. Let's get it open. I'm so hungry, by the way, right now. I talk about this briefly a lot, but I'm like doing this fasting thing. Like I'm trying to do one meal a day today. I only have a few hours left, but just looking at this, I'm like, yes. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks like actual apple pie that's like ready to be put in the oven. Awesome. This is $8. It says baked apple pie candle, a cute addition to your Thanksgiving table. Looks and smells good enough to eat. Handmade and filled with wax, or it says with apple fruit, but like wax is in parentheses. Topped with a deliciously scented apple pie gel wax that has a realistic look, and it really does. Totally giving me the fall vibes. This is awesome. Next up we have something in, oops, there's a pretty decal on it. They have something in this box. Let me grab it. And on it was this cute little sunflower sticker. So cute. Let's see what is in here. Ooh, we've got some spa stuff. So this is by Spa Cat Natural Luxury, the Honshu Breeze Shower Sizzle. So I think this is like for a bath bomb for your shower. Sprinkle desired amount on your shower floor. When mixed with our shower bath steam water, or bath steam water, it will sizzle and release its aromatic scents. Use approximately 2 tablespoons per shower. And then it says benefits: indulgent, calming, invigorating, mindful, sensuous, dreamy, awakening, relaxing, and refreshing. I'm excited to use this. I'm definitely more of a shower girl than a bath girl, so that's awesome. And then we got a room spray in the same scent, I think. Let's get this open so we can try it. So this is the Honshu Breeze Room Spray. I love room sprays. I'm so excited. Can't tell here, but oh, that smells really good. Spraying all over my room now. Oh, I love the scent of that. I'm so bad at describing scents. Let's see if they describe it better on here. So the shower sizzle is $10, and it says handmade in small batches from a blend of the most exquisite essential oils and top grade fragrance oils. Sprinkle a small amount in the shower, away from the water steam, and enjoy the light floral and vanilla scents. Okay, floral and vanilla, that's what it is. Or sprinkle in the bath to elevate your senses. Breathe deeply, relax, and unwind. Rice paper packaging is recyclable. Nice to know. And the Spa Cat Room and Linen Spray is $6.50. And it says the matching scent to shower sizzle. Lightly spray on linens or in the air for a calming and relaxing freshness. The packaging is recyclable. And Spa Cat, the company, helps to mentor newcomers to their country. That's so nice. It smells so good. I love it. Vanilla and floral mix. Great. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Look, we have a coffee mug. Reusable one, and it has this little thing over it, which is also reusable, like it's like rubber feeling. So if it's really hot, you can use it to hold it. This is perfect. I love stuff like this. So this is the biodegradable travel mug. This is $12 and it says tough and non-toxic travel mug is made using waste rice husks which would otherwise be sent to landfill or incinerated. An eco-friendly alternative to plastic, keeps cold and hot drinks at the perfect temperature, best to wash by hand, and it's locally owned. That is so awesome. That's amazing that it's made from recyclable materials or like from materials that would have otherwise been in landfills. That's awesome. I will totally get a lot of use out of that. I'm loving this box, you guys. Oh my gosh, we've got some candies. It says Happy Halloween, and look at this cute bag. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Happy Halloween from the Hutch sisters, and there's a bunch of different candies in here. There's Coffee Crisp. Oh man, so I've never really had Canadian candy. This must be Canadian. Coffee Crisp, that sounds so good. Makes a light snack. My Nestle, I've never heard. And then there's some caramels, some little ghost hard candies, like one of those like bracelets that has little pieces you can like bite off. Reminds me of being a kid. Those sound so good. And then they have like sour powder you can dip it in. I'm keeping this close so I don't eat any before I leave. This is such a cute little goodie bag. Let's see what it says about it. You know, I don't think it's in here because this is just a little extra from them that says Happy Halloween. That is so sweet. Oh, I want to eat it. A few more hours. Oh man, I'm so excited. We got another thing by this company. This is by the Village, or Do Village Gourmet North Star Spiced Apple and Rum Cocktail. We got margarita last time. Nice. So in here, you get like what you need besides the alcohol portion, I think. So yeah, you use the contents in here. Water, soda water, rum of choice, and ice. So all you do in a pitcher, combine North Star cocktail mix with water and stir until fully dissolved. Add rum and stir again. Pour and divide evenly into 4 glasses, fill with ice, top with soda water, and enjoy. Nice. You know your girl loves a good cocktail. So this says this is $5. Add water, rum, and soda water for a light and comforting fall cocktail. Cannot wait to try that out. Next up, we have something in this drawstring bag. Let's see. Oh my god, so cute. There's a watch, and then there's like this little purse. Like, what is that? Oh my god. This is so cute. This is by Ecosi. Oh, and the watch is like, just goes like that. Here, let me put it on and show you. So that is what that looks like. I can show you up close. There's like some gemstones around it. And then this matching little purse bag, like this is like the cutest darn thing. Let's see what's in here, if there's anything. Yeah, it's just like this little purse. This is so cute and little. Oh my gosh, let's read about it. I wonder what you're supposed to do with this. So the watch and mini bag, $19. Get ready to fall back when the time changes with this stylish watch. Mini bag is great to keep your lipstick or small change ready at hand. Locally owned business donates to various charities. Awesome. That's a good idea. You can keep this in your bigger bag and put change or other things you want in there. This is just so cute. And it has the matching watch. I love that the company gives back to charities. That means a lot to me. And I think we have one more item. There's so much stuff in here. Let's see what this is. Like in a little bag. Oh, I think it might be a purse. A big size purse. Well, it's not too big, but oh, this is cute. Look at this. It's like a crossbody bag. Here's a tassel, but this is very unique. I don't have anything like this. You open it like this. Oh my god, and there's like 2 little compartments. I would like to say like the first one you put like your phone and then some other stuff. So it's pretty small, but I prefer smaller purses when I'm going out and about, and it has this handle here. Let's get this open and see how long it is. But I'm guessing this is more of a crossbody style. Yeah, so definitely could be. This is so cool. I have a lot of purses. So you guys know I get purse subscription and stuff like this, but I don't have anything like this. So let's learn about this one. This crossbody bag is $24. It says keep your phone and essentials ready to go in this faux leather crossbody bag in a color that goes with everything. The locally owned business donates to various charities. Awesome. This is by the same company that made the watch and the mini bag. So that's awesome. I think this box was great. It definitely had a fall feel, which is amazing. So we got so much stuff with the high value. So we got, just a quick recap, we got the bag, the North Star drink mix, yes, the mini purse with the matching watch. We got our bath stuff. So we have the room spray as well as the shower like salts or shower sizzle. Smells really good too. A bag of candy that is making my tummy growl. We got some makeup. We have this pretty lipstick and blush. And again, that is what the swatches look like. Very pretty, nice fall colors. We got this candle that smells like apple pie and looks like apple pie. And this reusable mug. Oh my gosh. I think that's everything. That was so good. I love it. Again, this box has impressed me. You guys have to let me know down below what your thoughts are on the box. And also I will, of course, link them and link all my giveaways like I said. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day and I will see you in my next video.